Rise and shine, tea time family. Just a little coffee morning break. Adding creamer and heavy cream and French coffee. Remember?
2 seconds, I'm running. Top private, quick kissing his cheek. Running, fighting sins. Giving it up, coming to your race. Riding in until I fall on my face. And I wake up, I wake up, I wake up. Rising up, falling burn. Rising up, falling down. Rising up, falling off. Olé, 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 oh. Step it up, don't let it fall down. Step it up. Give it up, too many times stuck. I'm again love forever stuck. Someone wanna call a race in the ring. I'm breaking it up, they're never coming up. I told you where I come from, never gonna stop.
That's the key from
Two seconds, I'm gonna fight, call up your name.
Okay, so this is the facts of today. My ThinkPad, which is my work computer, will not charge. So I have a technician coming out tomorrow to go over this and look at this. It's been like this. And I had it plugged in for a couple hours. So my idea is to go in, and I contacted the company and they're going to have a technician come out tomorrow to try to fix this. Okay, and in the process I have to return this to CCA. This is my son's online computer. If you don't know about CCA, it's an online school, online charter school. Whatever school district that you're into, this is where it's actually a touchpad. But whatever school district you're in, the district will cover the cost of the computer. So this one is getting repaired. The technician will be in tomorrow. And see, I'm doing diagnostics, scan, try to get this going. That's one. I'm shutting that down, and then I have to package it inside this box and return it. Also, I am studying, so I have to just get my just a couple chapters down packed. I'm only 4 points away from my national exam. I already passed my state, so y'all will see me hopefully by the next couple of vlogs. I'll be an agent, but right now you're going to enjoy my day-to-day life. So this is where I usually work. I do have a desk upstairs, but I can't keep an eye on the kids. You hear them so loud. Oh, and the wedding gift came in from when I did the vlog for Bed Bath & Beyond. The wedding gift is in here. I'll once the gift is received, then I'll post like a little video of it. And also, you know, the best thing to give someone: something borrowed, something blue, something old, something new. Well, she is a baker, and I think this is a great gift for passing down as a family heirloom. And then she can pass it down to her daughter or to her niece. So that's that. So I did go for the goods and I found it. And now I have to cut open this box. Also, I'm going to be going to Best Buy sometime soon. And I have a battery for my GE camera. That way I won't be using my phone. And open this up. Okay. Then here's the return package. So I gotta package that. So let me set you guys up so y'all can kind of see what I do. Okay guys, so so I have to open this box and return. So the way you return a product, here's return instructions. If you can see that, you have to call the company and let them know that you need to return something. They'll tell you what the cost is, or if there's any cost. They'll bring you a pre-wrapped package on how to. Okay, so the way you return a laptop, and it's been shutting down for a while, so I don't know what's going on with that. Should I wait, guys, or just turn it off?
How about yours?
All right. So you take the laptop and you take out, depending on how they give it to you, you take out the top layer, you remove the foam, you place. If you can see that. Okay. Place the laptop in the box. Then place the foam in the box. Should I go like that? What y'all think? Big box for a little package. Then we take the top piece, place it back. Oh my goodness. And then secure it in there. I wanted to discuss a little bit about the Lenovo ThinkPad. This pad we've been working with since 2020. It's a really good equipment. However, the reason or the cause of the problem is the fact that when you set your cord inside the charger port and it's not properly adjusted, or you don't give it enough slack where it can rest, then it will cause a problem with the motherboard. And the company actually came out to fix it right away. It was under a warranty. They came out, they sent a tech out to the house, and they corrected the issue. So it was no problems with that. It's an IBM company. It's IBM Computers. Lenovo just purchased it, so now they're the parent company, and IBM is the ThinkPad technology. But right here, I am currently working on marketing. Since I assist Realtor Donna L. Holloman for BrokersRealty.com, I go in and on the monthly calendar, if you see some advertisements from her page or her Instagram or her Facebook, most of the time I'm posting content throughout the month so that it is ready available. Also, this is where I send promotional emails out to clients and potential clients. If you would like to become a client or would like to receive information, just leave me a comment, write your email address and your first and last name in the comment box, or you can write me directly on Christina Holloman BA on Facebook. Okay, so here I'm going in, it's showing more of the personal email, so I had to, protect the identity of our clients and potential clients and our customers. But this is what I do, I do have a desk, it's upstairs, but in order to monitor the doors, making sure the kids don't go downstairs or run, I pretty much work inside this dining area. So if you're looking to become a real estate agent, I would say definitely go to the classes. I went to Harrisburg Area Community College in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, and I actually did online class portions for Real Estate 101, Real Estate 102, and the prescribed classes that you need to become an agent. I've completed the classes, and now I'm just have to pass the state and national exam. But right now, working as an assistant, I do social media marketing. I helped with paperwork, I help with contracts, I help with sending emails out to clients, to customers, any potential buyers or sellers that are interested in purchasing a property or selling a property. This is what I do. This is some marketing for some social media marketing. We post on Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, and it's pretty much on Realtor Donna L. Holloman's Facebook page. This is where all the content goes to, and this is part of being an assistant. But I also learned so much. Being an assistant, you get one-on-one experience with an agent, so then you know how to go out in the field, you know how to speak with people, you know what to say, what not to say. So you're learning firsthand while still working and receiving a paycheck in some regards. So I am self-employed. I am contracted. So if she doesn't like to work, she doesn't have to re-sign me. But this gives me a first-hand experience. So if you are becoming an agent and then you go and you work for like Brokers Realty or Berkshire Hathaway or Better Home and Gardens, and you go to these companies, sometimes they assign an agent to you. Be an assistant to an agent. They trust you, and because clients are money, bottom line. So if real estate agents don't trust you, maybe they don't want you out in the field with them. So you may have a hard time being trained. So assistant is a way to understand and get some field work before you get out in the field. And I'm doing pretty good. I'm understanding a lot. I have completed some open houses and some walkthroughs and some client walkthroughs. It's pretty amazing. I really enjoy real estate, and I'm excited to purchase my own first property, either flip it or turn it into a rental. But I am excited. So here I am using the advertisement calendar. So I'm posting, you see, on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and also Twitter. And I've created this for 910. So you can go to Realtor Donna L. Holloman's page and you check out the media that I've posted. Most of this I have posted. Some are directly from the company itself. They will post things as well. But yeah, so continue watching how I market properties and market Realtor Donna L. Holloman. Okay guys, I'm taking you with me to UPS at the customer care center to return this laptop. So you just take the box in, make sure that your return label is clearly displayed on the box and that it is all taped up. And we go inside and you hand the box to the clerk.
There you go. All right, see you next month.
Pretty simple, pretty easy. Make sure you get your return receipt and stay tuned with me. We're going to begin cooking. So I am making chicken and shrimp Alfredo with a gluten, low carb pasta. So I add onions, mushrooms, garlic, olive oil, and a little bit of butter. I boil the water for the pasta. Make sure you put your olive oil in there so that your noodles do not stick. I am adding salt, and salt heats the water quickly and keeps the temperature of the water steady. I learned that technique in cooking school. I went to school for culinary arts, hotel restaurant management in my 20s, and I loved it. And I have always worked in restaurants. Then I went to work for customer service. Then I went to tech support. So it kind of moved around. But I'm still in the service sector. Real estate is the service sector. But we're gonna let this all saute. So when you defrost your chicken, it's sometimes easier when it's slightly a little frozen in the inside or very cold. It helps you to cut the meat more precise and makes the chopping that much better. So I'm seasoning it with Goya adobo. Of course, you have to use it for chicken. No matter what your dish is, always use adobo. And then I'm going to add some Himalayan salt and pepper Now I add the organic onion powder and garlic to the seasoning. So today's sponsor content is JUEYINGBAILI herb grinder. I received products before. This is an Amazon seller. They reached out to me and asked me to possibly put out a review for their herb grinder. I have done a pillow before. They had a nice microfiber suede pillow, throw pillow, and that was a pretty good product. This is a very nice product. This is the herb grinder. It's pretty sturdy, nice and stainless steel, super shiny. I love the aesthetic of it. So you place the product inside the top and then you screw off the bottom once your herbs are grinded, and then you can use a spatula to remove any of the excess herbs that's stuck in the mesh. The only thing I will say about this product is I hope that it came with an instruction manual, but it's pretty much self-explanatory. Use this as a perfect opportunity because you need basil in your Alfredo sauce, and when you're a French chef, a refined chef, you kind of want your bechamel sauce to be still clear. So sometimes grinding your herbs down to a nice powdery color, then you don't have a lot of green specks in your food product, your end food product. So it's all about the aesthetics, but I'm sure you can use this herb grinder for any herbs or herbs that you come across. But this was an opportunity to show you guys how this product works and how it on the chicken.
chase your dreams. Open up your heart to me. Let me in, let me in.
Bye.